In this video, I'm doing a tablescape, and it's an interesting tablescape. So if you want to see it, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. And this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Today is the day. Today is when I am co-hosting a collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is Put the Pedal to the Metal Tablescape 2020. And it is hosted by my dear YouTube sister, Tammy, at Me, Myself, and I'm DIYing it. And her co-hosts are myself, Stephanie of Creatively MsMe, and Suli at My Style, My Color, and Eleanor from Instagram at Eleanor_decor, and Veronica at Saving with Mrs Vee. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone's channel, I will have a link to everyone's channel down below in the description. Now, what we ask is you follow the proper protocol for collaborations, which are to mention the host in your channel, include the link to the host channels, and the playlist in your description bar. And we also ask that you become a member of each host channel. And we ask that you use the hashtag. And the hashtag is, I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag pedal to the metal. What we ask you to do in this channel is to create a metal-inspired tablescape and to feature a DIY in your tablescape. You must use at least 2 different metals. And you can choose from copper, gold, silver, bronze, titanium, and alloy. Now you can decorate your table any way you choose, but we ask that you use 2 of those metals that I listed. I hope you don't forget to click the link down below in the description for the playlist and look at the other participants who participated in this collaboration. And don't forget to look at each host, because each one I know will come up with something beautiful. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Well, here is my pedal to the metal tablescape. Now the placemat that came from Big Lots, and I think it was like $1.99. The copper charger came from the Dollar Tree. The white plate trimmed in gold, that's a thrift find, along with its matching saucer. And then I have an overlay of a copper trim plate that I ordered off of Amazon. The flatware, the copper flatware came from Walmart. Now I have on the side, I have a gold napkin with a gold napkin ring, and that napkin ring came from Bree at Bree Project Book. I won that in the Dream Teams giveaway for this summer. And then I added the copper stemware that I purchased at home. Now nothing on this tablescape is new. I had everything that you see. Now I know we're supposed to do a DIY, but mine didn't turn out too well, and I wasn't gonna put it on here. So I replaced it with the gold candlestick holders, the tall ones, with the clear vases and the LED candles inside, the candle holder in the middle. My brother gave that to me for Christmas one year, years and years ago, because I was in love with brass then. But I think the Tablescape came out overall very pretty. I used copper and gold, 2 metals. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, leave me comments down below. And don't forget to click the playlist and check out the other participants. Again, this is Stephanie of Creative with MsMe saying, you be blessed.